Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a phone that the entire tech world has been buzzing about. Ever think those legendary days would make a comeback? The days when the name Nokia meant unbeatable durability and pure innovation. If not, get ready, because Nokia is gearing up to shock everyone all over again. That's right, folks, we're talking about the Nokia Premiere Pro 5G. This isn't just a name, it's a promise of next-level performance and mind-blowing features. Let's unbox all its secrets right now, and see if this phone truly lives up to its Premiere title. Buckle up, let's get started. Features of the Nokia Premiere Pro 5G. The display. Get ready for a stunning 6.95-inch 2K OLED display. This isn't just a screen, it's a portable IMAX experience in your hands. Game or binge watch your favorite shows at a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, it's pure magic. And with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, this beauty is built to survive drops and scratches. The camera setup. Now, for the main event, the most insane part of this phone. The Premiere Pro 5G boasts a quad camera system that's about to redefine mobile photography. Leading the pack is a staggering 200-megapixel primary sensor with OIS. That means every shot is crystal clear, with insane detail. It's joined by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 32-megapixel telephoto lens for epic zoom, and a 12-megapixel macro sensor to uncover worlds in a dewdrop. And for all you selfie lovers, don't sweat it, the 50-megapixel front-facing camera will make every pic instantly Instagram-ready. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. We're talking heavy gaming, intense multitasking, everything without a single stutter or lag. It runs on Android 16 right out of the box, with a promise of 3 years of software updates. This is future-proof performance, people. Battery and charging. This phone packs a monstrous 8500 mAh battery. Imagine this. Charge it once, and forget about your charger for 2, maybe even 3 whole days. And when you finally do need a boost, the mind-blowing 110-watt super-fast charging will power it up in the blink of an eye. No more camping out by the outlet. Price and launch. So, the big reveal. When is it coming, and how much will it cost? According to our sources, this masterpiece is expected to be priced around $849 in the USA. For a feature set this insane, that price could be an absolute game-changer. In the launch, we're hearing Nokia could unveil this beast in just a matter of weeks. So, start saving those pennies.